Introducing the magic of Microplane, the most efficient culinary tools you'll ever own. These specialized utensils for grating, shredding, and zesting have been a trade secret of professional chefs for years. Now you can discover why. From appetizers to desserts, there's a Microplane tool for every course of the meal, and they'll make every task a breeze. Let's start with tasty bruschetta. With a Microplane grater, delicious ribbons of mozzarella glide off the block almost effortlessly. Microplane graters are made using our patented process on surgical-grade stainless steel. Hundreds of razor-sharp edges slice your food like tiny knives. Almost magically, cheese, fruits, chocolate, and spices shear into lacy, light, and uniform pieces. Speaking of Microplane magic, look at the increased volume you get from an 8-ounce block of Parmesan cheese shredded on a Microplane compared to the same weight of prepackaged cheese. Now the main course. Perfect pasta. Microplane makes it quick and easy. After dinner, try cappuccino topped with spicy nutmeg, courtesy of the Microplane Spice Grater. And no party is complete without dessert. Watch how this Microplane grates chocolate to perfection and really adds sparkle and flavor to the cake. Plus, cleanup is a breeze, and they're dishwasher safe. Invite Microplane to your next meal. Microplane culinary tools will change the way you think about food preparation.